New York University did a study on AI specifically for diversity and inclusion, which there are some issues evolving because the people who are building the models and developing the technology don't look like the greater population. And I think it was, they were talking about how 80% of university professors that specify in AI are men. At Facebook, the folks in research, only 15% in AI research are women, and then at Google, it's only 10%. So it's pretty scary if we're building technology that at some point will build itself if it's indexed toward a certain perspective, whether it be experience or gender or geography or whatever.
I talk to clients about this a lot too, because as customers start to think about, ways that they can bring and infuse artificial intelligence into their business, most of that, you would think on the surface, oh gosh, that's sort of a technical challenge. Are we going to be able to take on these technical tools, and do we have to all be data scientists to do this stuff and things like that? But really what I say to a lot of people is, look, it's really about creating a team that can rally around the different use cases and the problems, the questions you want to answer of your data, right? At the end of the day, what are those questions? And then what's the team look like that's going to help shape what the solution looks like, and make sure that that team is diverse, make sure that that team is super, well thought out. And so I think the same goes for those of us in the tech industry at large that are building these systems and building these tools and building blocks for customers and organizations and individuals to leverage. We have to make sure that, our product teams and folks that are building systems are our demographics, those we expect to have used these systems, should be represented. And I think that, again, that sort of topic of unconscious bias is something we have to be very mindful of, and train people that are building these systems. As you said, the demographics are what they are. There are more men than women in the industry doing this. Even though they may not be women, or they may not be, minority, or they may not have, other sort of needs or perspectives, I should say, we need to make sure that folks are really broadening their thinking and building these solutions with that in mind.